When you have one source of truth, you have zero confusion. So what we're trying to do now is to move our state from the lobby component back to the app component. That way we're able to pass it on to all of the other children views that we have, which is the game view in this case. So what I'll do now is I'll go back to my lobby.jsx. I'll copy all of those states from here and I'll go back to the app and we'll save them here. All right, so now we need to be able to pass all of those values into our lobby view. Because we no longer have them inside the lobby view, we're gonna have to pass them from our app component. So I'll go ahead and remove all of this. And here we're gonna have name and set name. We're also gonna have avatar and set avatar. We'll have difficulty and set difficulty. We'll have the dark mode and set dark mode. So now all of those are available again to the lobby view. So all of these functions, all of these values are accessible to our lobby, except that they come from our app component here. So now we need to just take all of these and pass them into our lobby view. Here's my lobby view. And let me just paste all of these. Let's get clever with them. Do a bunch of multi-cursor stuff here. Oops, we didn't need that last one. And copy equal that. Okay, save, and here we go. Everything in this view here should work fine. The only error we have is that we no longer need this use state at the lobby because we're not handling any state at the lobby. I'll go ahead and save, and let's make sure that everything's still working as we expect it to. If I change my wizard, update my name, here they are. Let me actually go back and remove this thing that we added in the previous video. Here we go. I can type in a name. I can select a different difficulty, update my dark theme. Let me go ahead and provide my data again, just so I can call the start game. If I hit start, now we're switching over to the game view. And one thing we could do is to update our game view to actually get the real name from the state. Here we go. Now this here sees the same name that we've provided in our other component, which was the lobby component. So whenever you have a state or you have a value that will be accessible by multiple components, you want to move those values, or you want to move the state to the common component that will contain both of these. And then you'll be able to pass on those functions and those values onto your components properly. In the next video, let's finish up our lobby view by making sure that the save settings button is working and it's actually storing our values to the local storage and being able to load those back into our game so we can use them as initial value for our forms.